Hey everyone, welcome to Emmanuel Space. Today we're diving into something that a lot of you have been asking. Where do you invest first when you're just starting out? We're talking about investing in yourself, your knowledge, your network, and your ability to take action. These are the fundamentals that will set you up to win, no matter what you're pursuing. So let's talk about where you should invest your time and money, starting right now. Are you ready? Let's get into it. The first place you should always invest is in learning. This isn't just about passively reading any random book or taking any course just to check a box. It's about actively investing your time in learning specific skills that will actually give you a tangible return later on. Think of it as an investment in your future self. Whether it's learning how to manage your finances, understanding business principles, or picking up technical skills, this initial investment in learning is crucial. Tony Robbins said, "The more you learn, the more you earn." It's real talk. Knowledge is power. And in today's world, it's more accessible than ever. So if you're wondering where to begin, start with learning. Now let's move on to the second critical investment. After sharpening your skills, the second crucial step is to invest in relationships. Your network is an invaluable asset that will open doors that money simply cannot buy. Building a powerful network isn't just about meeting people. It's about cultivating genuine, authentic relationships based on mutual respect and value. When you genuinely invest in others, they will, in turn, invest in you. In today's interconnected world, there are countless opportunities to connect with like-minded individuals. Remember, your network is your net worth. Now, let's move on to the third and equally crucial investment. Now, for the third and arguably most important step, take action. You can acquire all the knowledge in the world, build a vast network, but if you're not taking consistent action, you're not going to move anywhere. Taking action means starting small, taking incremental steps, and building momentum over time. Maybe you launch a small side hustle or offer a service to your local community. Whatever it is, just start. Take that first step, and then the next. Momentum builds, opportunities arise, and you begin to see tangible progress towards your goals. So what are you waiting for? Take action today. Now, before you get too comfortable, here's the thing. Once you've started on this journey of self-investment, there's more to the story. These first three steps, investing in learning, relationships, and taking action, are just the beginning. We'll dive into the next steps in upcoming videos, so make sure you subscribe. Every Friday, I'll be breaking down more tips, strategies, and actionable advice on how to keep growing and winning. So, to wrap this up, remember these three foundational steps. Invest in learning, invest in relationships, and invest in taking action. Until next time, keep grinding, keep learning, and remember, your success starts with the first